EagleRidge Roofing, your trusted roofing experts in Midvale, Utah. Welcome to EagleRidge Roofing, your trusted roofing contractor serving Midvale, Utah and the surrounding areas, including the 84047 zip code. Whether you're a homeowner or a business owner, we provide comprehensive roofing solutions to meet all your residential and commercial needs. With years of expertise, high-quality materials, and a commitment to customer satisfaction, EagleRidge is the roofing company you can rely on. At EagleRidge, we offer a wide range of roofing services tailored to fit the specific needs of Midvale residents and businesses. Here's an overview of what we offer: new roof installation, roof repair and maintenance, roof replacement, roof inspections, storm damage assessments and repairs, gutter installation and repair, ice and water shield installation for enhanced durability, soffits and fascia installation and repair, shake shingle sealing and treatment, installation and maintenance of all types of shingles, siding installation and repair, ventilation solutions including attic and roof ventilation, swamp cooler installations and removal, sealing and caulking to improve energy efficiency and weatherproofing, commercial roof installation and replacement, EagleRidge Peak, protection plan for preventative maintenance, flat roof repair and installation, metal roofing systems, TPO, EPDM, and other membrane roofing systems, roof coatings to extend roof life, soffits and fascia services for commercial buildings, siding installation and maintenance for commercial properties, ventilation solutions for commercial buildings, swamp cooler installations and removal at commercial sites, commercial grade sealing and caulking to weatherproof your building. EagleRidge Roofing is known for our swift response times and strong relationships with suppliers, ensuring you get the best materials and services. Here's why Midvale residents trust us: extensive experience with Midvale's climate and unique roofing needs, knowledge of local building codes and regulations, commitment to quality craftsmanship using only premium materials, proven track record of successful residential and commercial projects, quick response for emergency repairs and installations, dedicated team of skilled professionals who take pride in their work. At EagleRidge, we understand that great roofing comes from using the best materials and employing skilled professionals. That's why we use premium shingles and durable underlayment, weather-resistant barriers for extra protection, high-grade fasteners for long-lasting roofs, energy-efficient roofing options for added savings, skilled technicians who ensure precise installations and thorough inspections. From Midvale to the Greater Wasatch Front, EagleRidge Roofing has been a trusted name in roofing for years. We are proud to offer reliable services to residents and businesses across the area, ensuring that your property remains well protected no matter the weather. If you need reliable roofing services in Midvale, don't settle for anything less than the best. EagleRidge Roofing is here to deliver top-quality roofing solutions for your home or business. Contact us today at 801-784-1457 to schedule your free roofing inspection, or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com, http://eagleridgepros.com, to learn more about how we can help with all your roofing needs. EagleRidge Roofing, Utah's premier roofing and construction experts.